How to change the default drive in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change from your C drive over to your D drive. And this means all new applications will now be saved and installed on the D drive. So to do this, you'll need to open up the Start menu on your computer and then just load up your settings. From the left-hand side, click on System, and then you'll need to scroll down to Storage. Now scroll down the page and select Advanced Storage Settings. You can then select where new content is saved, and here you can change the default drive location. So you can see at the moment it will say new apps will save to, and it's currently set to the C drive. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you can go and change this to the D drive instead. Now once you've done this, press apply, and you'll also need to do the same for all of these different options as well. So once you've set everything to the D drive, you can go and press apply to all of these options, and that's how to change the default drive location in Windows 11.